Have you ever checked your pocket change carefully? Because this €2 2000 France coin might be more interesting than you think. This coin was issued by France as part of the early Euro series, just before the currency officially entered circulation in 2002. On the design, you can see the iconic tree symbol, representing life, growth, and continuity, surrounded by the French motto Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité. Now, here's the exciting part. While most of these coins are common, certain versions in excellent condition or with minting errors can be worth much more than just €2. Collectors are always searching for rare variations, especially coins from the early years like 2000. So, if you have one of these coins, take a closer look. You might be holding a small treasure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. And tell me in the comments, have you ever found a rare coin?